You are watching BitBNS News.
Hello and good morning. Right now the market is completely volatile. So it is important for users to get to know what actually happening around the crypto world. What news is there around crypto. So for that, make sure you watch crypto news daily and keep yourself updated. Blockchain.com closes crypto custody for Russians amid EU sanctions. Shiba Inu adds over 1 lakh holders in 2022 despite price swings. Mysterious wallet burns 116 million Shiba Inu, 132 million SHIB destroyed in 24 hours. China's digital currency transactions exceed 100 billion yuan, central bank says. Uniswap's $165 million Series B capital raise, one of the largest by a crypto firm in 2022. Binance Pool unveils $500 million fund to support Bitcoin BTC mining. Samsung turns to blockchain-based security to secure devices. Ukrainian Art Museum to preserve art and cultural heritage through NFT auction. Ethereum price eyes 35% rally after 6,000 ETH gets burned in 1 week. Terra rebels to introduce more effective ways to burn Terra Luna Classic. UK wants to make it easier to seize crypto in terrorism cases. Tether cuts $30 billion of commercial paper from reserves. Crypto wallet provider Blockchain.com is the latest company to soon cease to provide services to Russian nationals due to the latest sanctions by the European Union. Blockchain.com has notified its users that it's going to shut down accounts of Russian nationals in 2 weeks. The local news agency RBC reported on October 14. Meme cryptocurrency Shiba Inu SHIB has recorded a turbulent 2022, with the asset's value experiencing swings amid a broader correction in the crypto market. Despite the suppressed market conditions, SHIB has managed to attract more holders as the development team embarks on giving the asset more utility. Shiba Inu's burn rate skyrockets by 590.44% as the mysterious wallet burned 116.47 million coins, while 132.06 million SHIB were burned via 14 separate transactions in 24 hours. Spending with China's state-issued digital currency has surpassed 100 billion yuan, close to $14 billion by the end of August. The country's monetary authority revealed. More than 5 million merchants now accept the digital yuan in 15 Chinese regions as Beijing continues to expand the pilot areas. Uniswap Labs, the firm behind the Uniswap decentralized exchange protocol, announced on Thursday that it raised $165 million in a Series B funding round. According to one report, the capital raise, which sees Uniswap Labs valuation rise to $1.66 billion, is the largest by any crypto firm in 2022. On Friday, October 14th, Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, announced the launch of a $500 million fund dedicated to providing loans to public and private blue-chip Bitcoin BTC miners. The company's Nox Matrix will use blockchain technology, helping to increase the security of multi-device environments, allowing each device to monitor and share access data with one another. As the Web3 space expands, non-fungible token NFT use cases continue to develop past the hype days of stagnant digital art collections. However, even within the art realm, NFT utility is being reinvented, as is the case with a Ukrainian art museum.